Good morning, sir. I'm Stephanie Santiago, the presentation of landscape, advantage and disadvantage. Values advantages in preparing home for sale and staging process. Professionals recommended sprucing up the existing landscape condition with assist minor cosmetic touches, sloping, improving frontal condition with efforts in the long-term model damage. Improving your property will help the image of the neighborhood as well as increase your home asset value and resale value. So, mas ka sale kita bagay, dapat doon na pagka sale is manami roon nga palibot or one-way damage. Dapat do roon pagka paligid mo sa iyong mga bagay is manami roon ano nga palibot at one-way damage. Health advantages. Studies show that offices retain more employees and people recovering more quickly in hospitals when there is quality landscaping. Other advantages to landscaping are more subjective and psychological benefit of walking through a beautiful, well-kept garden is difficult to quantify. Some people enjoy gardening and landscaping as a hobby, for exercise, or simply as an excuse for taking in some fresh air. So once atong mga bagay is mabakong garden, is pwede kita magtanong or mga pagpanami sa atong palibot. Para nung is karano palibot is may fresh air kita at may hobby mo kita ng mga pabulig sa ato nga health at may exercise kita nga ginaobra sa adlaw-adlaw. Disadvantages. Time disadvantages, putting all the responsibility for landscaping in the hands of the professional landscape designer can save time, but on the other hand, the professional design and installation process can be a big undertaking and may require a long period of time to complete an elaborate classical style of landscaping design will ultimately require a lot of maintenance and time before committing as who will nga garden or pag namin sa atong na green landscaping. So let's proceed to hazard. Increase and environment hazard. Uneven ground, creeks, slips, and falls can occur due to uneven creeks, noise, soil, and trees. So once the ground natin is mananap, it can cause na accident or pwede mag-discussion rin tapos habang nauna. Weather condition, extreme temperature, rain rates, or lightning can pose risk to worker safety. So once the bagyo or katidlat, or di ba namin ruang na natutong adlaw is dapat what the ubraan ay para through mga workers hindi ma-disgrasya or di sa lang masaktan habang gaong na sa dam. Equipment and machinery hazard. Power tools and equipment and proper use of tools like chainsaw, mowers, and trimmers can lead to injuries. So, dapat kung gagamit kita yung chainsaw is dapat maayos. Para hindi ma-discussion o mga gagamit yung chainsaw or mower and trimmers. Para maiwasan natin yung injuries. Heavy machinery, offering vehicles and machinery such as tractors, excavator, that requires specialized training to prevent accident. So, paggamit natin mga mababakong na mga trucks na or excavator. So, mga siyapin na ginagamit natin is dapat maalis na sa training para pagka lang tayo mga sigak dyan is hindi sila mag-disgrasya sa pag-galit. Biological hazard. Poisonous plants can contact with toxic plants like poison, ivy, or poison can cause allergic reaction or dermatitis. So, mga poisonous plants nga mga toxic nga may mga allergic nga may poisonous plants nga ginagamit is pero may allergic reaction or dermatitis is dapat gina-avoid sa mga workers. Kasi may possible nga medicinal ito ma-disgrasya, insect bites and sting. Exposure to insects just as bees, watch or ticks can lead to allergic reaction or vector or disease. So, mga tutubin na ron nga dagupan sa atong palibot is dapat gina-itwagan natin para hindi kita ma-sting or matuslok it matusok marang good action. Maganda kita mag-sabi. Chemical and environmental hazard. Pesticides and herbicides, improper handling or application of chemical can result in poisoning or environmental contamination. So, chemical na ginagamit natin is dapat may proper ginagamit nga mga PPE para maiwasan natin yung yung mga chemical na rin para maano mo natin yung kalawasan na hindi kita sakit nga. Soil contaminant. Exposure to contaminants, soil or water source can cause health risks. Soil contaminants exposure to contaminated soil water source can cause health issues. injuries to glass, just as lifting heavy objects, bending, or lifting, for example,